In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix image in Google Sheets. If you've ever added a picture to a sheet and noticed it drifting around when you sort, filter, or resize columns, you're likely dealing with a floating image. Floating images sit over the grid, which makes them easy to move, but they don't stay tied to your data. The quick fix is to place the image inside a specific cell so it travels with your rows and columns and behaves like part of the spreadsheet. Here's exactly what to do. Click the image to select it. When it's selected, you'll see a small toolbar or menu appear. Choose the option called Image in Cell. Make sure you pick Image in Cell, not Image over Cells. The moment you do this, the picture snaps into the cell and is treated like cell content. That's the entire move. Now, what changes after you switch to Image in Cell? First, the image becomes anchored to the cell. If you sort a table, hide or unhide rows, insert new rows, or move columns around, the image sticks with its row just like text or numbers would. This is the biggest benefit. Your image stays exactly where your data lives, so everything stays in sync. Second, the image scales with the cell. Sheets will fit it within the cell's boundaries while keeping the aspect ratio. If the cell is small, the image appears small. If you make the column wider or the row taller, the image displays larger to fit the new dimensions. Nothing is actually cropped. You're just seeing the image sized to the space you've given it. Third, copying and pasting becomes predictable. Copy the cell and the image goes along with it. Fill or drag the cell and you'll duplicate the image in each new cell, which is great when you're building a catalog or a list with thumbnails. It's also helpful to understand the difference between the two modes. Image over cells is best when you want a decorative or free-floating graphic that doesn't need to be tied to data. Image in cell is the right choice when the picture is part of the record itself, like a product photo, a logo per row, or an ID image, because it behaves like any other cell value. And that's it. Click the image, choose Image in Cell, and your picture is now locked into place with your data. With this small change, your sheet becomes cleaner, more reliable, and easier to maintain.